In this video, I'll show you how to enable the Group Policy Editor on the Windows Home Edition. Now, while the Group Policy Editor is a feature exclusive to the Windows Pro, there is a workaround that allows you to enable it on the Home Edition as well. So let's get started. First, just to show you, I'm currently on my Windows 11 Home Edition. If I search for GPEdit.msc, you'll notice that I don't get anything in the result. And that's because the Group Policy Editor isn't available on the Home Editions. And if I right-click on my Windows icon and select Run and type GPEdit.msc, I'll get this box that says Windows cannot find GPEdit.msc. To enable it on your Windows Home Edition, from the taskbar search, let's type cmd, right-click on the command prompt, and select Run as an administrator. Now, this is an important step as we need administrative privileges to execute these commands. Now, we need to run a few commands to install and enable the Group Policy Editor on your computer. Copy the commands from the descriptions below in this video and paste them in the command prompt. Once you do this, just wait for the process to complete. You'll see a message that says the operation completed successfully. Once you see that, close the command prompt window and let's restart your computer to apply the changes. Go back to the Windows search bar and let's type gpedit.msc. And now you should see it in the result. If you click on it, it should open without any issues. And there you have it. This is how easy it is to enable the Group Policy Editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home Edition. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.